You don't know. Bad man. Yeah. He's body baby, oh. Ah, he's body baby, oh. Yeah. It's a bad man thing, yeah. Bad girl make you wine to the bass, nah. Give me that thing where I go feel relate, nah. The way you back it up, the way you bust in the place, nah. Steady on time, girl, don't be late, nah. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything.
Hey YouTube family, it's your girl Leah, back again with another video. In today's video, as you can see from the title, is my first ever braidless crochet style video on this channel. Now, if you've seen my Freetress Ringlet wand curl hair review video, I'll leave that up above. That is this hair, and if you saw that video, you know I had one pack of that hair left over. And I'm not just gonna let a $11.99 pack of hair go to waste. Oh no, I'm gonna get my money's worth, and that's what I've done with this look that you see right now. If you want to see how I achieved this look and also how I plan on maintaining it through the week of wear, just keep watching. So now I'm starting on freshly washed and freshly blow dried hair, and very moisturized hair I might add. And I am using, like I said, the Freetress Ringlet wand curl hair in the color OT30, and it is the 2x pack. Now if you saw my review video on this hair, I wore this hair out for a few weeks. I had interesting thoughts, so make sure you check out that video. And in that video, I actually bought a couple packs online for $9.99 a pack, and then I ran out to my store and bought an additional pack because I was like, oh, this won't be enough. Turned out what I had was enough. So I'm stuck with this one pack left over. So all week I planned this style, and a little bit of me thought I was going to be able to do it without water and gel, but who was I kidding? My hair is too thick for those games. So I go in with my spray bottle of water and my Eco Styler gel just to the front part, or the front and the back, the whole perimeter of the hair that is actually exposed, to kind of get that hair to lay as flat as possible. You don't want your hair to be super thick just because you need something that looks realistic and blends in with the poof that you're going to create.
Sean say she moving to the baseline. The way she a wine make a man wanna press the wine.
So I'm going in with my brush, and you don't use your good old Denman for this. You need your hard bristle to come on through for this job, especially if you got hair as thick as mine. You're gonna need that hard bristle. So you're gonna pull your hair all the way to the top of your head. And let me just say, I gotta give my hair a shout out. Come through protective styling. There was a time in which this wouldn't have been possible, especially not all my hair coming in the ponytail. There would have been some little hairs in the back that was not gonna be able to catch in a bun. So come through protective stylings, come through No Heat 2017, 2018. So next I'm going in with my scarf. You want to use your scarf just because you wet your hair and you put some Eco Styler gel on. You want to have your hair lay as flat and as dry as possible. So I go on with my scarf to do that. Now I left it on for about an hour while I gossiped with my roommate for a little bit. So that's what I did while my hair was drying. And then I also go in with the bobby pins and go into the bun so I can get and lay down those flyaway hairs. So now I am back after having let it dry for a little bit, and I'm going to go in with the actual hair. Now this is how my bun is looking. Your bun will depend on size by how thick and long your hair is. So of course, the longer and thicker the hair, the bigger the bun. So you're going to have to use your hair wisely, and it may take a little bit more hair than I actually used if your hair is a lot thicker. So now I'm actually going into the install portion. So you want to take your crochet hair needle and the hair, and you're just going to install it at the base of your hair. So don't put it in your actual bun. Put it in the hair that is actually laying flat in front and around the bun, if that makes sense. So what you're going to see me do here is my normal crochet method. You guys have seen me countless times install some crochet here. So you just do it like you would do your normal crochet here. Latch the needle, put it through, pull it through the base, and then you want to double knot the hair. So you're not doing one knot, you're going to actually do 2 knots in this situation. And you definitely want to do 2 knots. Not doing 2 knots will definitely result in your hair not feeling as secure. You're going to have that non-secure feel. So I'm very much so pulling this hair as tight as I can to make sure that this hair is not going to come loose. So I'm going to show you one more time in this slow method before I speed this video on up. I'm going to just put the needle through my head, latch the hair to the needle, close the latch, pull the hair through. Then I'm going to knot it, and like I said, I double knot it, and I'm going to give you a little tip and a little thing that I wish I had done. I actually wish I had triple knotted it. There was a little bit of times where I didn't feel as secure in some of my knots, not the front, some in the back. I just felt like I could have done a third time and it would have been okay. You can knot as many times as you want with crochet hair. Now let's just speed this thing up and I'll show you how I just do it all around throughout the bun.
I want more. That me blow. Tell me what you want and bro. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. That me blow. Tell me what you want and bro. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. You don't know. Vkillz, bad man, point instrumental, giving them one time. It's okay. Bad man, see go take you then. Pull up. Bad man, finna gone away.
So after I had installed all the hair, I started actually picking at the hair because I was like, oh, let me kind of thicken it up a little bit. And when I tell you, all I did was run my fingers through a little bit. This is how poofy it got. Once again, the same issue I kind of ran into with the review video. If you saw the review video, this hair frizzed a lot more. And like I say, this hair, I don't know if it's the same with the Jamaican Bounce or in any kind of other brand, but this hair just frizzed like crazy. But you know how Lavon do. I'm a manage some frizz, so I put that mousse, got that lot of body mousse out as per usual, and I ran it through this hair to try to combat some of this frizz and try to stiffen up the hair a little bit if I can. So as you can see, next thing I do is I go in with my scissors and I go in with my wide tooth comb, hit them with that 1-2 combo of thickening, but at the same time cutting out that frizz and cutting out a little bit of that longer length. Now my bun or my poof is a lot thicker than I know a lot of people's poofs. My poof just has to be this way because I have to cover up my actual bun. My hair is so thick, and if you saw that bun at the beginning, that's a lot of hair that I need to go ahead and cover up. So I'm doing a lot of picking and I'm doing a lot of cutting, as you can see. So next thing I want to show you is my nighttime maintenance. So how I'm going to maintain this hair at night. Now the first thing I'm going to do is something that I saw and learned from Taste Pink is actually put a hair net over the braidless portion of the hair. Now next thing I want to do is go in with a scarf around the perimeter of my actual hair. So the hair that I need to lay flat throughout the rest of this week. That's the hair that I'm going to actually put the wrap and the scarf over. Now the next thing I'm going to go in with is my big old bonnet. Now you guys asked me in a lot of my videos where I got this bonnet from, and I tell you guys, I got it from Target. I was just in Target on a whim and I got this bonnet, and it has served me well throughout all my crochet styles. Yes, this is the finished look. This is what you will achieve, so you do not have to let your unused hair packets go to waste. You can use them up in a whole nother style because I was not going to let my $11.99 go to waste. If you enjoyed this look and if you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. If you're not already a part of the family, what are you waiting for? Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you're following me on Instagram at LeahLavon89. Make sure you're following me on Snapchat at MissTalia89. And I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
You don't know. Vkillz, bad man, point instrumental, giving them one time. It's okay. Bad man, see go take you then. Pull up.